What's up, guys? Juggalo here, and you can call me crazy for me doing this, but this is what I did, and I'll go ahead and show you the setup first and all that stuff. So let's get to that. I am using that Cooler Master cooler, and I'm doing a push-pull configuration on it right now, and I am using probably not the nicest ear-pleasing fans that are out there. So if you have your audio on high, I highly suggest you turn your volume down probably 50%, if not 75%, to where you see a little small bar. And I just turned on the light and it's fluorescent, and it's not really that bright right now just because it has to heat up to get, you know, the full effect of how bright it is. But I'll go ahead and show you this. And I found out what the problem was with my camera recording or whatever. Apparently it was selected on the wrong mic. It was selected on the laptop mic instead of the mic within the camera. So I'm back using this camera again. I like using the Sony HD camera, but it just takes so long. I have to transfer it from the camera to the computer, and that depends on how long that video is, and then from there I have to take this computer and have it connected to Wi-Fi, then upload it to YouTube, which takes even longer because YouTube downgrades to 60 frames per second and backs it down to 30 frames per second, which this is 30 frames per second. And here's the case I was talking about right there. I still have the Danger Den case and everything like that. So I might put this board on there later on today. I'm still debating if I want to do that. But these fans right here are the Gentle Typhoon 5400 RPM fans. And these fans are meant to move some air. I am going to show you how loud they are. Hopefully not that long, but I can tell you right now temperatures are pretty good at full load, even at a stock setting. I am using the stock thermal paste, which is the Cooler Master, just says Cooler Master. So that's what I'm using right now on this. I have MX4 here. You want to see how much tin I have? This is just me collecting tin throughout the process of doing my builds. And I'll go ahead and show you what I have. I have two things of MX4. I couldn't find one, so I found the other. MX4 is what I use predominantly if I'm doing like the final build. And then I got a slew of these XS PC thermal compound K2. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of these guys. Not sure if you can see that, but there you go. Now you hopefully can see them. Got 3 of them. And then I have some SwiftTech Timmate, or it's TM1 thermal compound. And then I have Thermalright Chill Factor 3 thermal paste right here. So I got a whole bunch of thermal paste. I guess if I collect enough of it, I might be able to do like a thermal paste review, but that does take some time and everything like that. So, as I said before already, please lower your volume right now. Like, right now. And do it. Alright. These are two Gentle Typhoons, 5400 RPM. I think they're the AP-31. So this is an AP1 or AP-31 fan. and they're very, very loud, as you can tell on how I'm speaking and everything like that. So I'm just doing a little test to show you guys how loud they are. And there we go. You might be able to hear some of that good old airflow. And here's the front. $8,800 GT graphics card. You thought I was kidding? Nope. 8,800. Let me see if I can find it. There we go. Alright, let me go ahead and turn this rig off. So, you can hear how quiet it gets, just me shutting this off, so just listen. Alright. That is ungodly amount of noise compared to my other computer I have. The this build right there, the ABS 595 build, it is much quieter even at a push-pull configuration. So that's what I'm using right there, and I decided just to do it for the heck of it as far as those two fans, just to see, hey, will this little small adapter that I have that supports up to 6 fans, will it support the power draw required for these fans? And the answer is yes, it works. It's a Sunbeam like multi-fan port or something like that, and it works great. And I did a Intel burn test. I did it for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, or until my ears started to hurt from doing that. So that's what I did. And yeah, temps were decent in my opinion. It's not as great as water cooling, but gotta kind of expect that. Considering it is it's using a decent cooler. It's probably the best bang cooler you can get. And then on top of that, I'm not using the MX4 temp, so I probably would have a little lower temperatures if I used better temp. But I just used the Cooler Master. Came with the kit. It was handy. It was nearby. I did a pea size in the middle of the CPU instead of a grain of rice because it is a bigger die. And I think the max temp, it went up to 60 degrees on full load, and that was with my RAM 2133 megahertz and all that stuff. So yeah, fun stuff. And I think that is really about it. Talking about making your ears bleed with those fans. Just figured you guys would like to have a laugh saying this guy's actually putting this on his rig. He's nuts. But anyways, guys, again, thank you for the support, excuse me. And as always, comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button because it definitely helps me out and I appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. Bye.